Hey travelers, Imam here. If you love to stay prepared on the go without spending a fortune, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 12 incredibly useful everyday carry travel essentials, all under $50. Whether you're flying, hiking, commuting, or exploring, these tools are game changers. So what is EDC anyway? It stands for Everyday Carry, practical tools that make daily life and travel easier. And today you'll discover 12 travel-tested tools that punch way above their price. Let's start with power, literally. The Anker PowerCore 5000 is pocket-sized, lightweight, and powerful enough to recharge your phone on the go, a must-have for long travel days. Next, packing cubes. These ultra-lightweight cubes keep your suitcase tidy, clothes sorted, and maximize space. They make travel less chaotic. Losing luggage is the worst. With a TileMate or AirTag, you can track your bag in real time, even internationally. The Fisher Space Pen writes upside down in the rain and even in zero gravity. It's rugged, reliable, and stylish. The Nightcore Tinny 2 is a powerful keychain flashlight. Whether navigating dark alleys or lighting up a campsite, you'll be glad you brought it. A sharp, compact knife is handy for food, packaging, or emergency fixes. The Civivi Mini is sleek, but remember, checked luggage only. Why carry 5 tools when one does it all? A Gerber dime includes scissors, screwdrivers, bottle openers, and more. One tiny cable for all your devices? Yes, the InCharge XS fits on your keychain and supports USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB. Your wallet should protect more than just cash. A RFID blocking minimalist wallet keeps your cards safe from digital theft. Tired of jangling keys? A titanium carabiner clip keeps your keys secure and accessible. Attach it to belts, bags, or loops. This one's futuristic, the Forever Pen. No ink, no refills. It uses a metal tip that marks paper like graphite and lasts forever. Be eco-friendly and prepared. A foldable water bottle or reusable shopping bag takes up no space but comes in handy everywhere. To recap, 12 compact, reliable, and budget-friendly items that make travel easier, safer, and more organized, all under $50. Which one are you adding to your kit? Drop your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more smart travel tips with me, Imam. Safe travels.